This is dictation for Thursday, September the 16th. Have a look at the picture. If you are starting to have an idea where these are from, send me a message in Seesaw. All right, let's start. Make sure you have the word dictation as your title, and the date is 16/9/2020. Remember to start at the left side of your book, work your way across, go back to the left side of your book. Don't waste paper. All right, first sentence. Let us make a cake for dinner. Sounds a lot. Let us make a cake for dinner. So that's your 7-word sentence. We'll break it down. Start with the first 2 words. Let us. Make a cake for dinner. Now, obviously, that's something we wouldn't do, would we? Have a cake for dinner, maybe after dinner. So, let us make a cake for dinner. Second sentence, come and play with us. Come and play with us. So, write the first 2 words, come and. Play with us. Come and play with us. Have a look at it. When you're happy with it and you've got your finger spaces, you've got your capital letters, you've got your full stops, then you upload.